Selma Teacher 7, Mr. Barry here. Today we're going to be going over some awesome giveaways that are being offered by Aomi. So let's take a look at these great offers, you and I, which are available only through December of 2023. Now, let's check those out. And here we are at the website. Now again, I'll have that link to this website down in the description. It's an offer going on through the beginning of December all the way to the last day of December of 2023 there. And as you can see, it's free $681 worth of software that you can see up here. So let's go over this and see what that's all has there. Hey, this is the biggest Christmas Carnival giveaway. To celebrate Christmas, Aomi and other authoritative software companies send sincere blessings to users and provide best-selling and useful products as holiday gifts to solve different tech problems for absolutely free. And today they're offering $681 worth of free software there. So popular tools, which are a must-have there. First off is the Aomi Backupper Pro. And this is the almighty and reliable Windows backup, clone, and sync software. This is the best choice for backing up your system software, your partitions, or even your drives. Back up to previous OS when Windows 11 update fails. So that's a good option there. So if Windows 11 goes kaput for you, you can always go back to the previous operating system, such as Windows 10. Now the thing is, Windows 11 does have a built-in feature to kind of protect you from this, but hey, it's good to have a third-party software to keep you back there. You can also clone system to a hard drive or even a solid-state drive for smoother Windows 11 there. And let's see here, so all you got to do is say click Get It Now, and it downloads onto your Windows machine. And as I said there earlier, this is Windows products. Next, we have the AnyViewer. The AnyViewer Pro is absolutely free. A secure and fast remote access desktop and support solution. PC, iOS, Android to PC remote control. So it's exactly what it says there. You can actually view your desktop, control your desktop remotely using this software. It does have built-in encryption and security, so no one else just happens to get in there and start controlling your desktop, because that would be terrible, right? So this does have security features built into it. This is instant support for every type of enterprise, whatever you need there, even if it's one-to-one there. This is the one that I've used before, by the way, too. This is fast remote work anywhere away from the office. So it's exactly what it says. Now I do have other videos going on how to do remote work with your desktop or with your Windows machine there, and this is awesome because it's absolutely free today. The next is the phone tool. Now the Aomi's phone tool Pro is a smart and easy phone tool and iCloud data management tool. Selectively transfer data between an iPhone and your PC. It quickly backs up and restores all the iDevices data for you. It's the best iOS or even an Android switch tool to transfer your data. Alright, so that's all there. Next, we have free Christmas gifts to meet your various demands. Here we have useful assistance that you may need. Aomi Partition Assistant Pro. This is a complete hard disk management tool and easy partition manager. Basically, it gets rid of all of the disk space and disk conversion problems that you might encounter when resizing a partition on your hard drive. So there you go. That's an awesome tool there. $50 for absolutely free there. And we do this in class, by the way. We use this tool and other tools in class. And this is an easy way, an easy solution, and it's absolutely free, which is awesome. Next, we have the Aomi MyRecover Pro. This easily recover any data from system crashes that might involve your computer there. So if you have a Windows machine and your system crashes and all of your data, maybe your hard drive just dies on you, well, guess what? You can use this to recover all of your data and all of your programs there and onto a new hard drive there. So this is called the MyRecover Pro, absolutely free, and it saves you from all of the data loss situations that you might encounter in the future there. All right, next is Sticky Password Premium. Top password management and form filler to save password and autofill forms. Now even safer with dark web monitoring. So this is a one way there to basically save all your passwords, kind of like have all of your passwords into one software. And this is a good password management and form filler tool that I do recommend. That is a good one there, absolutely free, yes. Next, we have the powerful PC cleanup tools. Boom, there they are. And the very first one is the WiseCare 365 Pro. This is an all-in-one Windows PC cleaning and speed up tool. Protect your privacy and keep your Windows PC at peak performance. Today, absolutely free. Boom. So this is a great thing that you can have there. Make sure you do share this video with others, because this is an awesome opportunity to get a lot of software there for free. You can even get it for someone else as a gift, which is a good idea. And next is the Ashampoo Win Optimizer. It's a comprehensive PC optimization suite with over 30 feature modules. For a lean, fast, and secure Windows, this is what you need there. And that one's free. And next we have the Oslogix Windows Slimmer. Easy and safe to slim down your Windows PC tool. Make your Windows system more compact and efficient. So that one there is worth $30, and they're giving that one away free. Next is the Reliable Virus Detection and Drive Cleaner. This is a must-have for a lot of people there, because a lot of times you get software and it has a subscription maybe for 1 year, or it's only for a limited time amount, right? And so after that 1 year, you have to re-buy it here. Well, this is absolutely free right now. So this is good. This is called the Malware Hunter, and this is offered by Gilrosoft Malware Hunter Pro. It's a comprehensive Windows protection solution. Not only protects your data and privacy, but it also rids your system of viruses. Today, it's absolutely free there. And this is going on only to December the 20th. So better get onto that one there and get it. These others are all the way to the end of the year. And next we have Do Your Data Super Eraser. Reliable and certified data eraser software to help you securely and permanently erase data from solid state drives, memory cards, or more there. So whatever you have, if you want to securely erase everything, that's the one to use there. It's a $70 software being offered for free. And next we have the Ashampoo Uninstaller 12. This will basically get rid of software, browser extensions, and toolbars, and it's absolutely free today, and it's basically really easy to use. I've used it before. It's a $40 value for free today. And next we have the Complete Media Toolkits here. The very first one is the Record Master Pro. Bang! It's a $50 value of software, all for free. This allows you to record HD 4K screen recording there. It includes webcam, audio in the clearest quality, and the smallest file size for you to easily work with your files. That is an awesome tool. I think I can make a whole video just on that one software. And next we have the WinX HD Video Converter. This is a GPU accelerated video processing toolkit to convert, compress, cut, and easily edit any 4K ultra high definition videos very easily. And that is another must-have. And the next one we have is the Ashampoo Photo Optimizer 9. An easy way to enhance photos, transform your photos into brilliant works of art at the click of a button. Boom, today absolutely free. And next we have the convenient cloud management tools. The first one there is the Moat Cloud, which I think I did a video on that one way back, but this is a good software, and this basically allows you to go in, manage any of your remote storage there. So in your cloud storage, you can actually manage that right with this software. Combine multiple cloud drives into one platform for centralized management, making life easier for you. You could transform, sync, and even back up cloud data online without going through local storage. Convert emails to PDF and save to cloud drives for extra security. And the next one we have is cBackup. This is the best cloud backup service to back up all your data to cloud and combine cloud space and store your files there. Backup and sync PC and cloud data to another secure cloud. Combine all your idle space of clouds to unlimited backup storage. Restore data from cloud drives with one simple click. And there you go. So this is really handy since Google is now limiting how many gigs you have in the Google Drive that you have. So it's limited to something below 17 gigs. Some people have less than that, 15 gigs. Others have 17 gigs. You do have the option to buying a subscription for a couple dollars a month for extra storage with Google, but this is absolutely free. And as it says there, unlimited backup space. So that is a awesome option there if you're running low on your Google space. I suggest that you just get it now, even if you don't need it today, because in the future you can use it. So there you have it, some really awesome giveaways that are being offered there. Hopefully you can get some good backup software or some other software there, such as the PDF viewer or the others that are absolutely free going on right now at that website. And I do have a link to it down in my description there for you. Alright, hey, if you like these types of videos, please give it a thumbs up. Comment down below if you have a suggestion or a question or even an idea for a future video. I'd love to hear from you. And if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel, Selma Teacher 7. Alright, hey, thank you again for everyone for staying to the end. And you all have a very good day. Bye-bye.